Hey everybody! Today we're going to be doing a simple sour gummy recipe. I buy the Albanese gummy bears by the 5-pound bag. I use some infused oil, citric, and malic acid. I want to stress making sure you have a silicone measuring cup. The simple secret to having firm gummy bears is letting the established ones dry for a day or so, then mixing them with fresh when you make your mixture. Weigh 120 to 124 grams of gummy bears. Make sure your infused oil is decarboxylated before you add it to your mixture. The order in which you add your ingredients does not matter at all. Add a 1/4 teaspoon each of citric acid and malic acid. I like mine sour, adjust according to taste. First time in the microwave, they won't expand quickly. But the second and third time, it will literally take seconds. You have to pay attention because it can overflow quickly. Depending upon the power of your microwave, the first time will take about 30 seconds. Then yank that beast out of there and start stirring. I stir with a fork. Use the sides of the silicone mixing cup to squeeze the excess off of it before you place it back into the microwave. After your third time, it's usually mixed really well. At that point, pour it into your molds. Let it cool. Then pop them out. I dust mine with a little bit of sugar, citric, and malic acid.